What it do, flight crew? FTC, flight team stand up! FaceTime.
Hold on. Don't tell me. I know the song, yep. I remember this.
Yo, I tried though. Hey, I made this, what the hell?
This is the president. Oh, he's a new president?
Yo, I made this damn meme, I didn't even know that.
How to name your Asian baby?
Thing, man, like, come on, bro. And you're eating other things? Bro. Yo, I wanna cook off this video. I can't believe I've seen that shit. Ugh. Yo. Bro, I don't like where this is going, man. Bro, alright, man. Bro, bro. And this is actually the end of the video either way, I think. 3 seconds left. Bro, what the fuck? No, man. No, man. No. Anyway, that's gonna cap it off, as usual. Comment down below what I should react to next. On the road to 2 milli.
Christ.
Ooh. Bro, first of all, there was a lot of info spilt out there. It was his name, Joey. I just want to suggest that be careful, because it looks like he knows a lot of info outside of the government. You know what I'm saying? So I just want him to make sure he be safe. That was a lot, you know. But look, man, June's close. Ain't no excuses. You know what I'm saying? It's quarantine. We're gonna still pull through. Good shot, bro. I don't do all that. That move right there is a Dune. He's selling the future. But first of all, how the fuck is, even though the rim is like 8 or 9 feet, how is he this athletic, bro? I'm kind of impressed. Not gonna lie to you. No, the fuck we're not. Bro, if any girl at this point, especially right now, bro, and just going forward, or if you rate me anything lower than an 8 right now, bro, like, you're just hating, there's something wrong with you, bro. And or you probably haven't seen me in person, you know what I'm saying? Anything after June, if it's not a 9.5 and up, you know what I'm saying? You just wasted your time even making anything. Like, so, just letting y'all know, yo.
Look at Curry, man.
He said it's bad. Flight getting smashed by Flight was definitely black belt at karate. Hey, you know what the funny thing is? I actually did take karate, like, no funny shit. Like, I did take karate, like, when I was, like, 6 or 7 or 8-ish. It was when I was a young-ass age, and I actually ended up getting kicked out because I was being a fucking, like, karate class clown and shit. Like, I was just doing shit behind the karate instructor's back and shit, so he was just like, we can't have you here anymore. Boom, boom. But anyway, yeah, long story short, so I know a little bit of karate in this bit, you know what I'm saying? Dude, might fuck around, do an NFL Street 2, like, wall flip or some shit, you know, just don't fuck with me. To TikTok, huh?
Be afraid to treat me while I treated you. Do not be afraid.
Anybody feel like running through the wall after feeling motivational speech? Bro, why was I sweating? Why am I sweating? Something. Oh no, I remember what it is now. You know DC the Don is. That's my dog too. We still need to play him 1v1. He's been running away. I don't know why. But anyway, he was performing. I think, and I think they was going over there. And he ended up giving a phone to somebody, and he was on FaceTime. But why is he releasing this now?
Who told you
The fuck? That's awkward as hell.
Why?
This boy's voice crack.
Video where you were dunking is.
Bro, this was like the oldest. Thank you. I'm either gonna block it or I'm gonna dunk on him. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, I'm laughing at a lot of you guys that think that I'm really about to be getting dunked on. You know what I'm saying? Like, we've had a huge improvement. I told you, my defense has went up 45 overalls, literally since a year ago, bro. I'm no longer getting crossed anymore. I'm no longer falling. I'm definitely not getting dunked on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna block the shot. You realize I can grab the rim standing down, stand without running. I mean, you know what I'm saying, and grab it with 2 hands. Like, I got the vertical, bro. I got like a 36.5-inch vert, bro. I just didn't have the cameras on when I was doing the testing and shit. What the fuck? Bro, that was the most random one, yo. Yes, beautiful catch. We're winning the Super Bowl, bro. We're winning the fucking Super Bowl, bro. Oh my fucking gosh, you ended off with a pick six, Brady! You ended off with a pick six! Brady! I've seen before. Put your head down, Watson. Put your head down! Why are you jumping? This ain't the Olympics! This dude's trying to get hurt. You see, that's the problem, bro. When you play too scary, that's when you get hurt. Why are you jumping? Put your fucking head down a truck, bro. If I'm in Watson's position, I'm putting my head down and trucking those big behind linemen, bro. I'm trucking 2 of them, bro. The fuck? That's how Corona's starting, bro. What are you doing? What the fuck is you doing, buddy? Yo, hello. You know what I'm saying? You know. Hey, I made this. What the hell?
This is the president. Oh, he's a new president?
Yo,